All right, this is our second visit to this lake. I'm pretty confident there's some big bass in here too. We have not caught a large bass here yet. Well, about 3 pounds. I'd like to see something like that today. We have about an hour to fish. We're just getting really lucky with these nice days where the wind is laying down. Let's see if we can get lucky. Gonna hit some different areas. Oh boy, here we go again. Unbelievable. In the last couple trips, I have caught so many small fish. Unbelievable. It's a little better. Fish number 2. He jumped a lot. I wish I could have caught that on camera. Fish number 3. Number 4. All right, let's do a change up here. There's number 5. Dylan's got one. He's too far away for me to get it. Well, I really expected something out of this stuff.
Ow!
Sorry. Number 6. Seven. Number 8. Number 9. Oh, hey. This one grew up a little. Ah. Come here, you. Oh. Come on. Number 9. Oh, shoot. That was number 10. And he got away. All right, there's number 10. He's hitting right now. Can we get double digits? Oh, maybe not. You... Come on, number 10. There he is. Oh, come on. All right, double digits. Got a couple minutes of daylight left. Not much. He's a baby, but he is number 10. I should retie. After you catch 10 like that, that's when the big one's gonna hit. And if you don't retie, he's gonna break you off. $11. Yeah. $11. $12. Oh, 11. Here's number 12. Come on. Number 12. Easy, 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 easy. Cookie cutters. 12. 13. 14. Never leave fish to find fish, so I'll sit here. Was it 15 or 14? I think it's 14. It might be 15. 16? Oh boy, but look at this one. Is that even a bass? Yeah, it is. 16. My worm is getting pretty beat up and mosquitoes are starting to bite. And I think I got a little too close. 16 might be it. Oh boy, there's the mosquitoes. 16, that's a pretty good evening. No big ones, obviously. But on these small ponds, lakes, it's a small lake, not still too big to be a pond. I tell you, when you find them and you get on them, a lot of times you get on them just like that. I mean, when you find them, you find them. And they are just stacked up. No big ones, but they're fun size for sure. As the mosquitoes are, wow, getting me. I've got to make one cast by this dock. I know 17 is sitting there. I'd love to stay here and fish this, but I also know Dylan's probably getting chewed up by the mosquitoes. All right, one more cast. One for the road, right here. Oh, I wonder who that could be. Who could be calling me? Somebody getting bit up by mosquitoes? All right, no more for the road. Usually doesn't happen anyway. Mosquitoes are bad. And if you're not catching fish out here, it would be miserable. So I'm guessing he's not catching fish. Come on, man. So I finally get this big fish, and I can't get my camera to work. I mean, that's a fine fish. I just hope the camera's working. Jeez. Okay, yeah, so no. So this is number 10, except I didn't bother filming them. Then I compare this to the last one that I caught. And of course my camera's working just fine now. Yeah, I caught a nice one, maybe, I don't know, 4 pounds. Looks like you got you one there. So what is that? How many is that? 9. I have 10. Well, it could probably happen.
Yeah, because this is where they were going crazy yesterday.
Correct. Oh, did you see him blow up there? I'll let you go up there. I already hit 10. And I did catch he was at least 4 pounds.
That's really good.
Probably a heavy 4.
Heavy 4?
Mm-hmm.
That's really good.
And I couldn't get my camera to work.
He fought good, too.
He did.
They fight pretty good at it.
And I only got...
They're lean. They're lean and strong.
I got so little of it on camera.
4 little ones?
No, the big one fighting it. I had my camera turned off. I couldn't get it turned back on.
When you say go up there, where are you talking about? Just anywhere up there?
Yeah, along that whole shoreline right there. Along those pads. Might have a little bit of weather coming in. I don't know. Yeah, just work your way up there. Or you're in a good spot. You're in a good spot. Yeah, you should be on there. That wind kicked up.
Right on top of it.
That should do it. It's decent. All right, 10 and 10, that's 20. It's a good way to end the week. You're right, it's not.
Yeah, they're still going up there.
We'll get them. This must be where they turn on just before dark. Yeah. Oh. What the heck? Last cast for me.
Why?
Oh, maybe not. Dylan's got another one. That's 12. Right?
It's 11.
11, my bad. All right, not bad. He's got 11. I've got 10. It's a good evening.